Until now, our rows could sit in any order. Time series breaks that rule completely. Here, the order of the data is the signal, and yesterday shapes today. Take 4 years of monthly sales. Look closely, and you can feel 3 things at once. It drifts upward overall. It rises and falls in a yearly rhythm. And it jitters from random luck. The big idea is that we can pull those 3 apart. First the trend, the long slow climb. Then the season, the same wave repeating every 12 months. And last the noise, the small random wobble left over. Stack those 3 back up, and you get your original series exactly. That is decomposition. Now the rule that trips up almost everyone. You must split by time. Train only on the past. Test only on the future. Just like real life, where you never get to peek at tomorrow. Whatever you do, never shuffle the rows like ordinary data. Shuffling lets tomorrow leak into today, and your score becomes a fantasy you can never reproduce. One more idea you will hear a lot: stationarity. Most models want a series whose behavior stays steady over time. A trending line does not, but subtract each point from the one before, and the trend flattens out into something steady and stationary, ready to model. But the one picture to keep is this: every time series is a trend plus a season plus noise. Understand those 3, respect the order of time, and the rest follows. Now that we can read a time series, the natural question is, what comes next? Turning these patterns into real predictions is forecasting, and it is next.